Welcome guys, we are doing a rebuild on CRF250R Honda race bike for a fork rebuild. So for beginners, you have to put some taper in there because it's all sharp. You get the brand new seal on. Then you get the brand new clip, goes on next. Then we put the seal on. We just need to put some oil on there. And there's the right way to do it is there's that inside, that's the top that goes inside. We put this on. You can take the tape off now. Then we put that washer on, spacer. Then we got our old bushings right there. We just need to put this on. Then we got this other bushing that goes right there. Basically that's how you want it. Got your seal, your dust seal, your clip, your seal, washer, and the seal there, and the main seal. Then we can put this all on there. Now the secret is to put these in. If you don't have the right tool, is cut something like that out. Or as on like the old seal, just use that. We put that on. And just go. Okay. And you just want to get in tray. Then we want our clip in there. Put that clip right there. We just want to put this clip in so it will hold everything in. If you really want to make sure it's right in. Make sure it's all in. It's all in there. Then put the seal back in. We can do the exact same here. That's all the old parts right there. Put them in the bin. Now we can put the spring in. And I played this earlier, so this should be going like that. It'll be coming out by itself. Put that in. I usually doing up the top here. Then we got our spanners. We go upside down. Put it like that. Then we need to put our bleeder through in. Make sure this goes in right. Go like that. That's what it should look like. Then we put our shoe on. Quicker. That in. That should be all tight. That's all tight right there. After that, we have to put some oil in it. I'm using fork oil, full synthetic. It's a 10-watt fork oil. Now what we need is a liter. I put 800 in. And that should leave us a couple mil from a liter. And we fill it up. We fill it up until it's full. Ooh, damn it. Go like that. We have to boil it up a bit more. You go up. That's about right. Clean up the excess oil. And you just bleed it a couple of times. That's all your oil done. Now as you adjust up the clickers. Get the bottom ones. We have the clickers are here. There you go. There you go, clockwise. You turn them in. There you go. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right there. Compression is up there. We go the same clockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's how you do the shockies. I did both of them here. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that DIY projects. I'll talk to you all later. Cheers.